If you want to write clearer, cleaner emails inside Outlook, then in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to add Grammarly to Outlook email step by step. This is a simple setup, and once it's installed, Grammarly can help you catch grammar mistakes, spelling issues, and writing improvements while you draft emails, so you can sound more professional and save time. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is download and install Grammarly for Windows or Grammarly for Mac, depending on the device you're using. Grammarly's desktop app is what helps enable support for writing areas in Outlook, so this is the key step that makes everything work. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. After installation, launch Grammarly and sign in with your Grammarly account. If you don't already have one, you can quickly create one during the sign-in process. This step is important because Grammarly needs to connect your account before it can give you personalized writing suggestions. Once you're signed in, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Now click New Email to start a fresh message. As you begin typing your email, Grammarly will start checking the supported Outlook writing areas automatically after the desktop app is installed. You may start seeing suggestions for spelling, grammar, clarity, tone, and sentence improvements as you write. When Grammarly highlights something, you can review the suggestion and decide whether to accept it, ignore it, or rewrite the sentence yourself. This is one of the best parts of using Grammarly in Outlook because it helps you polish your message before you send it out. If you're writing work emails, client messages, follow-ups, or any important communication, this can make a huge difference in how professional your emails look. A helpful tip is to type your draft first, then go back and review the Grammarly suggestions one by one. That way, you can make sure your message still sounds natural while improving accuracy and clarity. If suggestions don't appear right away, make sure Grammarly is installed properly, you're signed in, and Outlook is open in a supported writing area. Sometimes, a quick restart of Outlook or your computer can also help the integration show up correctly. And that's it. Once Grammarly for Windows or Grammarly for Mac is installed and you're signed into your account, you can use Grammarly suggestions while writing an Outlook email. It's a quick setup that can help you write better emails with less effort. If this tutorial helped, please hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.